Listen, morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are safe. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of example problem from row echelon form. Okay. Example 1.18 question: find the rank of matrix given. This is 3 into 4, isn't it? So 3 rows and 4 columns. That's why we can say this is called 3 into 4 matrix by reducing it to one row echelon form. First, I am moving to given condition solution. So given condition true, minus true, 4 and 3, then minus 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1, 6, true, minus 1 and 7. First, according to the row echelon form, when starting the non-zero digit under the true term, we have to show value will be 0. But the term row 1 and row 2, one odd number, one even number. If you convert for multiply into 3 in row 1, it will be very easy to show value will be 0. So what we have to do, just we have to rearrange row 2 completely. We can multiply 2 into R2. Okay. So row 1 as it is true, minus 2, 4 and 3. Row 3 also as it is 6, true, minus 1, 7. Row 2 you can multiply each and every time into 2. So 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now look at there. We can apply very easy, So under the 2 term we have to 0. What we have to do? R2, already R2 minus is there, means R2 gives R2 plus 3 into R1, as well as R3 gives R3 already positive, therefore minus 3 into R1. So now R1 as it is. What is R1? 2 minus 2, 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Now R2, so completely row 1 into 3, isn't it? Here also into 3, here also into 3, here also into 3, here also into 3. So what will happen? So R2 value minus 6, 3 into R1, 2 into 3, 6. So minus 6 plus 6, value will be 0. Next condition, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So 8 minus 6, value will be true. Next one, 4 into 3, 3, 12. Minus 4 plus 12. We can write now positive 8. Positive 8. Next one, 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 plus 9. Value will be 7. Next one, R3 minus 3 into R1, isn't it? But minus sign, same each and every row 1 multiply into 3. Therefore, 2 into 3, 6, but center minus n. Therefore, 6 minus 6, value will be 0. Same condition, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, but already center minus sign is there. Therefore, minus into minus plus 2 plus 6 is equal to value will be 8. Next one, 4 into 3, 12, but minus 12. Minus 1, minus 12. Value will be minus 13. Next one, 3 3s are 9. 7 minus 9 is equal to value will be minus 2. So next, first one, when starting the non-zero digit under the term 0. Next one, starting the non-zero digit 2 is there. Under the term we have to show 0, but 8 is there. What we have to do? Comparing R3 and R2. So into 4 means 2 into 4, 8. Therefore 8 minus 8, value will be 0 will come. Therefore each and every row to multiply into 4, isn't it? 4. Therefore completely R3 minus 4 into R2. R1 R2 as it is. What is R1 term? True, minus 2, 4, 3. The next one 0, 2, 8 and 7. So R3 we have to apply. So R3 means comparing R3 and R2, first term completely 0. Next one R3 is equal to what the value? 8 is there. Center minus sign. Then 4 into R2 value true. Next one minus 13 is there. Then minus 4 into R2 value 8. Next one minus 2 is there. then minus of 4 into 7. Listen, 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 8, value will be 0, is equal to, next condition, 8 fours are 32. 32 minus 13 minus 32. We can write now minus 45. Next condition, 4 into 7, 28. So, minus 28, isn't it? So, minus 28 and minus 2. Definitely value will be minus 30. Therefore, 0, minus 45, minus 30. Again, one more 0, then minus 45, then minus 30. Now, Survival form, no? Under the term, when starting the non-zero digit, under the term 0, again 2 is there under the term 0. But third row, this is also answer is correct. If you make it for short number means what we have to do each and every time divided by 15, isn't it? Therefore, so R3 just we have to modify R3 divided by minus 15, okay. So R1 R2 as it is. What is R1? True, minus 2, 4 and 3, 0, 2, 8 and 7, 0 divided by 15, 0, again 0, minus 45 divided by minus 15, value will be 3, minus 30 divided by minus 15, value will be 2. Therefore, number of non-zero row is equal to 3 row is there now, 1, 2, 3. Number of non-zero rows is equal to 3 means rank of A also value will be 3. This is our answer, okay. I will continue the next example. Moving to example 1.19, one of the important 5 mark question. So listen, show that the matrix, you have to show, okay, show that the given matrix set first non-singular. So what is the difference between singular and non-singular? After applying the determinant value, if you have equal to 0 means we can say that is called singular. So the given condition also we have to show the non-singular. Non-singular means the determinant value not equal to 0. First condition. Second condition, we have to make it the given matrix to identity. What is the meaning of identity matrix? You know, isn't it? From lower grade onwards, you are studying the identity matrix set with 3 into 3 matrix. We have to show the result also 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is called identity matrix set 3 into 3. Okay, one by one we can discuss. Listen. First one, the given matrix set solution 3, 1, 4. Then true, 0, minus 1, 5, true, 1. So we have to make it, this is called determinant A means the set will be considered for determinant term. Now the determinant term plus minus plus signs conversion. Therefore, first one 3 means 0 into 1, 0, minus 1 into 2 means minus 2, cross multiply means common minus. Therefore, we can write it positive 2. Next one, minus 1 means if you skip row and column of 1 means 2 into 1, true. Cross multiply means 5 into minus 1, positive 5. The last one, plus 4 into 2 into 2, 4. So again 3 into 2, 6. Now minus 1, 2 plus 5 means value will be 7. 4 into 4 means 16, isn't it? Now 16 plus 6 means 22 minus 7. Value will be 15. Definitely we can say not equal to 0. If it not equal to 0 means first proof will be over. This is called non-singular. It is non-singular. I'm moving to second one. Second one means we have to show the result identity matrix. Okay. So identity matrix. Again consider for the given matrix set 3, 1, 4, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 2, 1. What is the meaning of identity matrix? So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So first we have to show the first term we have to show 1, isn't it? But there 3 is there. So to make it for 1 means what we have to do each and every term divided by 3. Therefore, R1 consider for first R1 divided by 3. So what will happen? Each and every time divided by 3 means first one 3 divided by 3, value will be 1. Next one 1 by 3. Next one 4 by 3. R2, R3 as it is. What is the value? True 0 minus 1, 5, true 1. The first condition. Next one, after getting the 1, under the true term we have to show 0. So here we have to make it 0. 0 means first definitely R2 consider for R2 minus 2 into R1. Then R3 consider for R3 minus 5 into R1. So 5 into R1, listen. R1 as it is, what is R1 value? 1, 1 by 3, then 4 by 3. So next one. So next condition. Next one 1 by 3, 4 by 3. Next condition definitely R2 minus 2 into R1. R2 value, true is there, minus 2 into R1 means value will be 1. Next condition, R2 value 0 is there, 0 minus 2 into R1 means 1 by 3. Next one, minus 1 minus 2 into 4 by 3. So now 2 into 1 true, 2 minus 2 is equal to value will be 0. Next one, minus 2 into 1 by 3 means directly we can write it minus 2 by 3. So next one, listen, minus 1, 2 into 4, minus 8 by 3. So minus 1 into 3, minus 3, then minus 8 by 3. Therefore we can write now minus 11 by 3. Therefore first one 0, second term minus 2 by 3, next one minus 11 by 3. Then third term, isn't it? This is 4 by 3. Now third one look at there, R3 minus, R3 means 5 minus, again 5 into R1 value 1. Next one 2 is there, 2 minus 5 into R1 value 1 by 3. Next condition 1 minus 5 into R3 value 4 by 3. Now 5 into 1 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to value will be 0. Next one 2 minus 5 by 3, isn't it? So 2 minus 5 by 3 means 2 3s are 6. So now, so 2 minus 3 6, then minus 5 by 3. Therefore 6 minus 5 by 3 means value will be 1 by 3. Next one 1 minus 5 3s are, sorry my dear, 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So 20 by 3. Now 1 3s are 3, 3 minus 20 by 3, value will be minus 17 by 3. Therefore first condition 0, second condition 1 by 3, isn't it? This is called 1 by 3. Next one minus 17 by 3. So now important notes, okay, for your understanding just note it. So now the identity matrix 1 is there under the term 0. Next one, sender we have to show value will be 1. So sender value will be 1 means we have to apply R2 gives, already minus sign is there, therefore R2 into minus 3 by 2. Listen, R1 R3 as it is, so 1, then 1 by 3, then 4 by 3. R3 also as it is 0, 1 by 3, minus 17 by 3. So minus 17 by 3. R2 each and every time multiply minus 3 by 2, isn't it? 0 into 3 by 2 means 0 will come. Next condition R2 value minus 2 by 3 is there, into minus 3 by 2. What will happen? 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel, minus into minus plus, the value will be 1. Next condition, look at there, already minus 11 by 3 is there, minus 11 by 3 into minus 3 by 2. Look at there, 3 3 cancel, therefore minus into minus plus, positive 11 by 2. Their value will be positive 11 by 2, isn't it? Their value positive 11 by 2, minus 17 by 3 as it is. Okay, now second row, one is there, we have to make it up and down also, to value will be 0. What we have to do? So R1, apply for R1 gives R1 minus 1 by 3 into R2. The next condition also R3 gives R3 minus 1 by, so now R3 minus 1 by 3 into R2. So now listen my dear students, R2 as it is, what is R2 value? 0, 1, 11 by 2. 0, 1, 11 by 2. Now next one, R1 minus, isn't it? So R1 minus R1 value already, so R1 value 1 is there, so comparing 1, then minus 1 by 3, R2 value already 0 is there, isn't it? So definitely 1 minus 0 also 1. Next condition, again R1 value 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into R2 value 1 is there. Therefore 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 value will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 means value will be 0. Next condition we can cancel now. Next one, R1 minus R1 value 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into R2 value 11 by 2. Therefore 4 by 3 minus 11 by 6. Listen very carefully. So common denominator 6 means first 6 divided by 3, true. Then 2 into 4 means 8. Now next one, common denominator 6 divided by 6, value will be 1. 1 into 11 means 11. So therefore we can say no, minus 3 by 6. So minus 3 by 6 means we can write no, minus 1 by 2, isn't it? Therefore, so answer will be 1, 0, minus 1 by 2. 1, 0, minus 1 by 2. Now next one, next one R3 is it? R3 value is 0 is there. Comparing 0 minus 1 by 3 into R2 is there. So R3 and R2 comparing only 0 and 0. So definitely we can write it directly, value will be 0. But next term R3 is equal to 1 by 3 minus again 1 by 3 into R2 value 1 is there. Listen, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 value will be 0. Cancel, no? Next one, R3 value minus 17 by 3. So minus 17 by 3, then minus 1 by 3 into R2 means value will be 11 by 2 is there. Therefore, minus 17 by 3 minus 11 by 6. Listen, minus 17 by 3 minus 11 by 6. So this is also same, common denominator 6 means 6 divided by 3, true. Minus 7 into 3 means minus 34. 17 into 2 means minus 34. Next condition, minus 11, isn't it? Therefore we can say no, minus 45 by 6. So minus 45 by 6, third table possible, no? Minus 15 by 2. Therefore here we can write it 0. Here we can write it 0 and minus 15 by 2, isn't it? So now what we have to do? So first one under the term 0, center also okay. Third only we have to, so first we have to make it, this is called, this is we have to show value will be 1. So now first R3 have to modify, R3 gives R3 into minus of 2 by 15, isn't it? Therefore R1 R2 as it is, R1 value 1, 0, minus 1 by 2. Next one 0, 1, 11 by 2. Next condition into minus 2 by. Into minus 2 means first 2 times 0, write it as it is. Second one, last row, minus 15 by 2 into R3 means minus 2 by 15. Therefore 15, 15 cancel, 2, 2 cancel, minus into minus plus. Therefore value will be 1. Now last term only, last term means this 2 term we have to show value will be 0 means our proof will be okay, isn't it? So now Listen. First one, R1 gives R1 plus 1 by 2 into R3. Next one, R2 gives R2 minus 11 by 2 into R3. Listen very carefully. R3 as it is. What is R3 times? 0, 0, 1. Now, R1 minus. Comparing R3. R1 plus R3 means definitely 1 plus 0 means value will be 1. Next term also listen very carefully. R1 plus R3. So, 0 plus 0 means value will be 0. The next one, the last condition, R1 value minus 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 by 2. Then center plus sign is there 1 by 2 into R3. Into R3 already we found value will be 1. So, negative 1 by 2, positive 1 by 2, value will be 0. There we can write it directly, value will be 0. Next one, R2 minus. R2 is equal to what is the value? 0. Then center minus means definitely R2 and R3 comparing means R2 and R3 comparing we can write no 0. Center definitely listen very carefully R2 and R3. So 1 and 0 comparing means 1 minus 0 value will be 1. The last term. So the last term R2 minus. R2 value 11 by 2 minus again 11 by 2 into R3 value already 1 is there. So positive 11 by 2, negative 11 by 2 value will be 0. So see, this is our identity matrix in 3. 3 into 3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 then 0 0 1. Okay, one of the important question. Okay, I hope you are satisfied in this question. If you have any doubt, can put in comment box. Okay, I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next concept, the Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, please stay on the line. So I am moving to one of the important condition, Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, so Gauss-Jordan method, the like identity matrix set type. Okay, example, this is concept. Okay, this concept. Example, we have one another set of 3 into 3 matrix set. Consider for A1, A2, A3, then B1, B2, B3. So C1, C2, C3. Find out the Gauss-Jordan method. Such a type of question is there means first what we have to do. This is whole term consider for argument matrix term. This is called argument matrix. Then this 3 into 2 matrix set related for you have to make it one identity matrix set. Identity matrix set means already we know. So how to apply for the identity matrix set with 3 means definitely 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, therefore first already one number is there means example instead of A1 consider for A1 is equal to 3 is there. A1 is equal to 3 is there. So to make it for 1 means what we have to do each and every time divided by 3, then only value will become 1, isn't it? Therefore first one A1 divided by 3. So 3 is there means definitely the value will be 3 divided by 3. Instead of A1 is equal to 3 means 3 divided by 3. Then only we can say answer will be 1. So next time also will be changed, A2 by 3, then A3 by 3 also. Then remaining as it is means B1, B2, B3. Now C1, C2, C3. This is argument matrix. Each and every time divided by 3 means next condition also we got to apply. This is called 1 by 3. 0 divided by anything means 0. Again 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. Next condition what we got to do to make it for this value we have to show 1 isn't it? But under the 2 term also we have to make it for 0. Because identity matrix set means under the term will be 0. Now the second condition B2 consider for suppose B2 is equal to any value is there. B2 suppose B2 is equal to 0 is there. What we have to do just interchange because already we know elementary row transformation. I have given 3 important condition interchange any row or column also. So B2 is equal to 0 means we have to interchange with row 2 and row 3 or row 1 and row 3 we can compare. B2 is equal to except 0 some value is there means B2 is equal to negative 5 is there. Suppose B2 is equal to negative 5 means each and every time divided by negative 5. Therefore, B2 divided by negative 5 means we will get it another one time. So after getting row 1, there 1 is there, here also 0 value is there, here some 0. After applying b2 divided by negative 5 means negative 5 divided by negative 5 means value will be 1. Here also how to change b3 divided by negative 5. Then column 3 as it is, c1, c2, c3. So suppose after applying divided by minus 5 means argument row term or identity term also will be changed. Already 1 by 3 is there, 0, 0 as it is. So here also 0 means there definitely minus 1 by 5 will come now. Because each and every term divided by minus 5 means there is one term is there now, 1 minus 1 by 5. So 0. So here as it is means I will consider for 0, 0, 1. Then after applying first two rows, the third element what will happen? Here we have to show, because C3 value we have to show value will be 1. So suppose C3 is equal to positive 2 is there. So positive 2 means each and every column divided by true only. Divided by true only, C3 divided by true means so C3 divided by 2 means we will get it here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. C3 divided by definitely C1 divided by true, then C true also divided by true. Here definitely value will be 1. Then related corresponding identity term also what will change? So 1 by 3 as it is, 0, 0, then 0, negative 1 by 5, then 0. Third element also check it, that third column also. So 0 will come, 0 will come. Here also what will happen? Definitely 1 by 2 will come. Some changes will be affected for other term also. That's why, therefore, after getting this is, we have prove identity term means corresponding of the term, that is called the inverse of the matrix. Okay, this is we are write the answer for the term. Okay, definitely you will get it more understand. Don't worry my dear student, you will get it more understand when you are moving to the problem. Okay, so I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.